We do hope you've enjoyed and learned from the videos we produce on the ADI UK and Ireland channel this year. Every video we upload is put together with contributions from the whole ADI UK tech support team, whether it's the desk-based team or the field commissioning and training engineers. Of course, we get inspiration from you, our customers. This year, there's a new category available in the PSI Awards. It's for Best Tech Support. We would all appreciate a moment of your time to vote for ADI and any of the brands listed, also to nominate the ADI Tech Support as your preferred partner. As always, thanks very much for watching. The nomination link is in the comments box below. In this video, we're looking at the HikVision IP Intercom. We're going to be setting up 2 door stations to call 1 handset. Looking at the wiring here, it's a standard IP configuration. So I've got a 5-port switch. 2 ports being used by the door stations, going back to port 1, port 2, and the 3rd port is being used by the handset. In addition to the hardware, you're going to need some software. You're going to need IVMS 4200 and SADP, both available from the HikVision website, and you're going to need a laptop to program this up. And now let's open IVMS. If this is the first time using IVMS, it asks you to set a username and a password. It gives you a prompt. Okay, so we're on the maintenance and management screen within IVMS, and the procedure is we need to add the devices to the client so we can modify them. So let's get on with adding these into SADP. So let's do the bottom one first. Highlight it, tick it, and click add. The name, let's call it door 1. IP address, we know that's okay, that's okay. Username would be admin. And the password, this is the password you previously set up in SADP. Synchronize the time's always a good idea. Once you're happy with that, its name, its IP address, and the time sync, press add, and that adds it into the HikVision client, and you can see the device is online. So I'll just add the other 2 devices now, and we'll resume after that. And there we go, that's the 3 devices now added to the client. Door 1, door 2, and the handset monitor. I just called it by its part number, it's an 8350. Okay, so all the devices are added now, and what we have to do is some configuration. So if we say we go to door 1 first of all, we'll make that our master. If we scroll along here, you can see you've got the universal cog for settings. So let's do some remote configuration on this one. And maximize this. Well, here, let's give it a name. It comes in handy this in a moment. We'll call this front door. Okay, let's go to device management, and then we're going to add a device. Let's add a sub door station. The password is the password you've already given all your devices. Confirm that. Do this one in a moment. The IP address of the sub 192.168.1.102. Subnet 255.255.255.0, gateway 192.168.254, port 800. We need the serial number of this device. So if we go to 102, there's a serial number, D104. Let's add this in. D104, whatever the rest is, 26291. 26291, and let's add that. Tick OK for that, and that adds it to your input list, to your list there. Okay, then let's go to Intercom, go to session settings, registration password. Click save. With that configured, let's go to the sub door station and edit some changes there. So there's the sub door station, and let's do some changes. Change its name, why not? Then let's go down to a Intercom, session settings, registration password. Press save. Let's go to device and make sure that it's a door station, it's floor 1 and it's door station number 1. Then press save. And in the background there, the door station will reboot, so we can close out of this window while we're waiting for that. And then finally, we need to go to the handset and change its settings there. So the handset being 8350 wall, go to there, and then we can go down to network, group network settings, your registration password, the main station IP 192.168.1.101. So we'll copy that while we're here, and then paste that there, and then press save. At the bottom there it's saved. So let's close out of that. Then one last thing to do, let's go back to the door station, the sub door station, the second one. Now it's rebooted, we just need to make a couple of changes. So let's go to Intercom, session settings, type in your password. And what we have to do now is tell it its main door IP address, the master. That's already populated there. Click save. Save succeeded, and we are done. So now if I press door 1, it should ring the phone, which it does, so I'll end that call. And then if I go to door 2 and press that one, there we go, that one's calling too. And that's the setup and configuration of 2 outdoor door stations calling 1 indoor handset. Thanks very much for watching. All the products mentioned in this training video can be found on our website. Links are below. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks very much.